Hello YouTube. Now in this video I'm going to show you from start to finish how you can set up your very own entire Pariba funnel. Now why I'm talking about Pariba is because Pariba is my main #1 income stream, and I'm just this particular video is to show people how to get up and running with a marketing funnel so that they can promote their Pariba business. Now this particular platform is a drag and drop funnel creator. With all done for you funnels and templates and everything. Now you can obviously use this page builder system for any business opportunity imaginable. However, I am the actual owner and founder of this entire system, and I've basically sort of created a lot of done for you content for our Pariba team. Okay, so all you do is you can get started right here. It'll immediately take you to a registration page. Now, alternatively, if you've got your eye on a particular template, you can go to templates, and you can actually start off with a funnel of your choice. Now, just for this example, I'm going to choose one of these funnels. I'm going to start off with this one. You can either view it and see the the funnel in preview. You can also test the what it looks like on a mobile device, etc. And if you like this, you can click start with this funnel. It'll immediately take you to the registration page. Now obviously I'm going to just sign up here and start an account. And the registration is very easy, and right on the next page you'll be asked and prompted to give a title for your page, for your funnel. I'm just going to call it anything Pariba. This is my Pariba funnel, and the page that you selected gets loaded straight in. Now immediately, as soon as the editor loads, you'll be presented with a tutorial, okay, a short tutorial by me showing you how to use the editor. When you're ready, you can either close it or just click the button. Okay. Now, obviously, you didn't necessarily need to start with this particular funnel. If you want to change your mind, you can go right up to the top, and you can either delete this one or just create a new one. And we've got various different categories. Cryptocurrency. You've got lead generation. If you want to just do a funnel, for example, like this one, you can collect leads by giving out a report or whatever. Now you've got to provide your own report. This is just simply a drag and drop page builder, funnel creator, but you've got to provide your own report and everything. But if you want to start with another funnel, we've got all these done for you templates. So I'm just gonna I'm fine. I'm gonna stick with this one. Now you've got a help section here that will take you to all the videos about various aspects of creating your funnel. If it was a funnel that you wanted to create, that's fine. However, we also allow you to create a website. So we've got a number of different websites for you to choose from. And if it was a website you wanted to create, again, you can do that as well. I'm going to just view this one, for example. Yes, that seems fine. I'll just go with that. So it's pretty much done for you. Even the text and everything. But having said that, I do highly recommend you go in and tweak a few things and do your own thing. And you can even preview the other pages. We haven't filled in all the text in necessarily all the pages. There's a full-blown blog platform that you can build your own blog, all built in and everything. You can create a form, contact form. You can even do a membership site. You've got a built-in membership builder system where you can create subscriptions. You can charge people, or you can give away a free course or whatever, or if you're doing an academy or anything, you can do that. So you can just start with that. Pariba, whatever, 45. Just call it anything, and that immediately loads into the editor. Okay, and again, with this particular editor, you're in the website builder editor right now, and another video will come up showing you how to use the website editor. Now the great thing about this is you can navigate through so for example, if you want to edit the about page, you don't leave the editor. You can go, you can navigate all the way through and just double click, change the images, tweak everything, edit the text, and you've got all your pages here just to sort of navigate through. You can create pop-ups. You can add a pop-up if you want, add a page, add a pop-up, add a portfolio or whatever. So everything is here. You can edit the settings and do things. You can change your colors, your palette. If you don't like the blue and you prefer kind of something like a green, then you can do that. And the general sort of, as you can see, the colors have now changed of the various aspects, including the icons here. Again, if you want to change it again, you go to your global palette and change it to something else, and it turns to orange. I mean, it's totally up to you what sort of colors you want. And again, the logo changed. The logo here is obviously editable with text. You can change your logo here, but or you can replace it with an image if you would prefer. If you've got an image logo, that's fine. Now, I'm going to go back to the funnel that I decided to import, because the funnel builder is slightly different. There are some aspects of it that are different, such as the ability to be able to do split testing, and you'll be able to see what pages are performing with regards to traffic. You've got a built-in analytics and everything to track your stats and everything like that. And if you're doing sales, if you're selling something, a physical product or a digital product or whatever, if you're selling an email course or you're doing a membership site or whatever, you can check your sales there, orders, products and stuff like that. But normally, if you're in network marketing, you probably won't need that step, and that's fine. It's there if you need it. You've got various settings here where you can change the title. You can even, obviously update your domain name, or you connect your existing domain. So if you've purchased a domain from, for example, GoDaddy or another web host, and you want to, add it in here, it'll allow you to connect the domain, and then when you connect, it'll give you some very easy, simple instructions to sort of copy and paste into your domain registrar area in whoever you're registering the domain with, such as GoDaddy. It'll tell you exactly where to, what to copy and paste and set up your DNS settings and stuff like that. Okay. So, and again, with the funnel builder, you can actually navigate through the different aspects of the funnel without leaving the editor. Okay. So if you want to change the text on any of the pages, it's really that easy. And the other great thing is that if you want to copy stuff from here, okay, and you want to copy it to your temporary area, if I just clear that and then just show you again, if you copy it, it'll copy it to a little tab here, okay, in this little area, text. You can copy any elements, okay. I can, for example, mouse over this and then click it and then hit copy, and it all adds it to here, your form element, your heading or whatever. And this is a temporary area, okay, and it's good to have a little temporary area here in the copied area, and you can clear it any time, because sometimes you don't always need all that clutter in there if you're not using those copied elements for every project that you're doing. However, if you feel that you want to keep it for your entire account, you can save it to your account, and it'll save that, and all your saved items will be loaded here. So for example, if I copy the form element and I save it, my Paraiba opt-in form, okay, and now that's saved in there, okay, and you can delete it if you want. And the good news about this is if you're creating a brand new project and you want to have, and you've created a nice kind of element, I mean, you can actually copy the entire block, into your area. You can copy the entire block here in the container, and you can transfer it to another funnel, or it'll always be there, whenever you load the editor. Okay. So for example, if I navigate to the next screen and I want to add in some, something that for example, this header and replace it. Okay, and I want to put the header there and I want to change that, for example. Okay, maybe I can tweak it or whatever. It's totally, I mean, actually, to be honest, I prefer the other one here particularly, but you get the idea. So I'm going to just undo that. So we've got an undo feature here. So if you made a mistake, and you can undo it. So and then obviously I've added in the saved elements such as my Pariba form. If I want to put in see that form comes right in there, and then I can delete that. But obviously I wouldn't need to do that because this is actually a thank you page, so I don't need a form there. But you understand, you can basically transfer everything. And you can create and set up ABC split testing. So you can hold on a minute. Let me just do that again. Okay. So now I've created the ABC split test, and I can. Okay, I've already created it. Okay. Okay, so now for the capture page of the funnel, I've basically created a new version of the capture page. I've got a version A and a version B. And what they've done is they basically duplicated the two versions. Now, what's the purpose of this? The purpose of this is simply because you might be hammering traffic to your page, but you're wondering what headline would work best. So you decide to change the headline on one of the pages, and maybe change the colors. It's up to you, or you can change the entire page. My advice is do minimal edits on the different versions, and what will basically happen is that the traffic will automatically rotate 50%. So 50% of the traffic will go to the one version, and 50% will go to the other version. And the important thing here is that you can actually go to your funnel area, and you can see that your capture page has an A/B split test. Okay. So this is very useful, and you can track the hits that come in and see which version of your capture page is performing better. In other words, how many are opting in versus on the B version versus how many are opting on the A version. If there are more people opting in on the B version, it means the B version is the winner, and you can actually set up goals. So which one hit the goal first, and so on. Here you can set your goals up, but this is very useful because you really need to be able to have a way of really tweaking your funnels so that they perform optimal performance. Because you're potentially going to be purchasing traffic, and your traffic is valuable. You want to be able to convert as much of that traffic as possible, and you're not quite sure which page is going to perform better. Well, with this system, you can do fantastic things. Not only that, if you go back to your dashboard, the main dashboard, what you can do here is you've got full tracking. This is a brand new site, obviously, so there's no traffic coming in yet, but you can track hourly and daily. And you can, do some filters and stuff like that. And you got popular pages, which pages are popular. You got your website referrals, where they're coming from, such as your advertising platform, which advertising platform performs better. So if you're performing on the search engines such as Google, your search queries will show up here, such as if you're performing high on, for example, Pariba. Review or something like that. If that's where people are coming in from to hit your website, that will show up here as well from the search engines. So you'll see which keywords are performing well as they come into your website, which devices people are using, mobile devices versus computers, for example, and what browsers they're using. And you've got to, it shows you how much bandwidth and storage you've used. And you've got you can also set up your own admins. If you've got a developer, or if you've got a designer, or someone who helps you, and you're not very technical, but obviously you don't need to be technical with a drag and drop editor. It's so easy. and we've already done the templates for you. But however, if you have someone who you want to help manage, your website or do certain edits to your website, you can create an admin, all right, and you can set up, what aspects of your, for example, if you have for example, a ghostwriter for your blog, and you just want them to have access to the blog only, or if you have someone who wants to access the page builder so that they can edit your page and have access to nothing else. So you keep all that safe. You can put their email address and send an invitation, and they can have their own account, but with under your system, okay, and they edit your system. You can manage your billing, and you can manage your other aspects of your account. You've got all your management of your funnel and everything like that, and email automation, and set up appointments. You can run appointments if you want to schedule an appointment with people. That you can set up automated booking system where they can book you. This is great with network marketing, because if you want to have a Zoom call with someone, and you've got a new person, and they say, when can I meet? When can we hook up a Zoom call so we can chat about Pariba business or whatever? Then you can set that up, and you can have a calendar. You can set it up once and just have all your, which days and times you are free. They just come in and just book a time, all right? And then you get alerted, and then the Zoom call is going to happen, all right? You can set up a default Zoom link with a password or something like that, and people can just meet you in the Zoom room. It's up to you, okay? You can manage your contacts. We've got a full-blown CRM, contact relationship manager. You can set up a store if you're doing physical products or even digital products. You can set up where you're selling stuff, maybe a course or something like that, and then back to your builder. Okay, so yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. It's really, really a very easy system, and also you can share out your own funnels with your members. Okay, so if I go to the funnel area and then I click the share this funnel, okay. You can just copy this to clipboard, and this is a link. It's not a share code, it's a full-blown link. And that's what makes this so much easier. Other platforms require you to share a kind of a code, which is not ideal for new members, because they have no idea where to paste that code and what to do with it. And there are some systems out there, mentioning no names, but when you add in a funnel from a share code, you don't know where it's gone, or you then got to just tweak that funnel so that it sort of connects up one. The capture page needs to go connect to the landing page or the thank you page. It can be a nightmare. But with this, the entire funnel gets bundled up into one little package, and you can share it with a link, and they get added to the count. If they're not registered with this system yet, and they're a brand new member, they will just simply be prompted to register, and then on the very next page after registering, they'll be able to the entire funnel will be loaded into their account. And then they can just publish it. Boom, done. It's as simple as that. So get on board, guys. You get a 14-day trial. Looking forward to hopefully working with you. Hope you like the system. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.